Good morning, good morning, good morning. Right, so there's one more ramp I've got to get busy with. I don't want to, but you know, it will make a huge difference traversing the land and, you know, getting the trailer and the generator around and stuff. So this is the one we're going to do. One that goes down into the orange grove, and you can see it's gouged out. I mean, this catches the wheels all the time, so yeah, it's time to get it done. Have a nice sort out, maybe even tidy up that gully that I put that side. That's my intention, really, to make it more concaved in the end and allow the water to go either side with just a little gully. But that's where we're at. That's what we're using. Yeah, and yeah, let's get busy, see what it's all about. Hopefully I can get this one done quick today. I'd like to get some strimming finished off and a bit of tidying up as well. And I really need to decide what I'm doing here. I'm thinking of making some kind of polytunnel, or buying one, but yeah, we'll see about that. But at the moment it's this, and there's so much else. There's so much else to do. There really is. But yeah, I think this is important, because if I don't get this done now, you know, by time I get around to it, if I start getting busy with the other stuff, the ground will be so hard, it'll be like concrete. So yep, this is it for today, and hopefully you enjoy. that's it for today. Yeah, I've had enough of doing this, so I'm going to start doing some other bits now, because these were the main roads that needed to be used, so it was important to get them a little bit better. They get used more than any other roads, so yeah, just yeah, happy enough with that. Anyway, let's just take a little walk up, see what we've done. I know there's still tidying to do and whatnot, but yeah, look at that. I can actually walk up and drive up the area, which is really nice, especially when you're trying to tow equipment and stuff. There's nothing worse than ruts grabbing the wheels and stuff, so yeah. But yeah, there we are. So these were the three I showed doing videos of, and they're looking a lot better now. Yeah, maybe they could do with a bit more in certain spots, but for now that's fine. I'm very happy. I mean, there's another big one over the other side as well that I didn't bother videoing. That was the biggest of the lot, so there we are. Now this is why I want to stop doing roads as well. The vineyard I didn't do anything with last year, and it's got a load of crap growing in it and needs a bit of a tidy up. I mean, the vines themselves are pretty managed, or manageable should I say, but yeah, got to decide what I'm doing with this, because I don't do anything with it and it's such a shame. I mean, I've pruned it, I've cleaned it up, I've tidied it, but last year I didn't do anything. That's why I've got all of these bushes and all kinds of crazy stuff growing in here, so need to get in and do things like that. I've got to continue doing the strimming, tidy up, lots of pruning, you know, up the top and through all the way to the bottom, but yeah, one bit at a time. But I did think that, you know, with this kind of time of the year, it was a good idea to get things like that done. So yeah, that's that. Well, I hope you have a great evening. I'm going to call it. I might do a bit of strimming, I might not. Actually, I've got to go to the shop, so I don't think I will. But yeah, have a lovely evening, and best wishes, positive thoughts and hugs to everybody. All right, take care, bye bye.